Today I'm doing another set of rollers with this, kind of giving it another go with my buddy Abby. So this will be fun. Something I want to do now though, I think, is actually get like a case for this thing and all the other mounts I have, because I kind of leave them loose in the back of the car, and I think long term it's not a great idea. But yeah, he'll be here soon and we'll get this thing set up. Yeah, I don't like putting it on the wrap because it can, I think it'll damage it. Yeah, it's kind of my backup. But yeah, it's kind of, right? Well, that worked out. Another pretty successful venture. Only thing is, my car is so dirty. But yeah, this thing has been really good. I'm really impressed with it. So yeah, I got to do some more testing, and I kind of want to put it on the front of the car and see how it goes, but we'll get to that another day. So my thought, I got these like freezer bag things that are meant for, like, they're fitted for the front there. So I think I might actually get some foam and turn one of them into a holder for all the mounts, and then I can just leave it up here because this is like a waterproof area, so I think it'll work pretty good, and then I always have it. We'll see how that works out. If it works out, I'll show you guys. All right, so the night wasn't over there. Abby had a few buddies come out with their cars, and then we did do some more shooting with the ZV-E1, getting some pretty cool shots using that dual ISO. But before we get to those though, this thing, what do you guys think? How did it do for the low light? I think it was pretty good. I think it could be better. I still got to figure out what settings better and getting the ND right for certain lighting scenarios. But I think they look good, but I think they could be better. What do you guys think? Let me know. But anyways, enjoy some more shots.